Hello. Today we need to find the product of some numbers. Product means what we get when we times two numbers together. Let's do both parts one by one. Before we start, let's learn a very important rule. When two numbers have the same sign, the answer is positive. When two numbers have different signs, the answer is negative. Let's start with part 1. We have positive 4 times positive 5. Both numbers have a plus sign. That means they have the same sign. Now let's forget the signs for a moment. Just times 4 and 5 together. 4 times 5 is 20. Easy peasy. Same signs give a positive answer. So our answer is positive 20. Great job on part 1. Party popper. Now let's do part 2. We have negative 3 times positive 8. One number has a minus sign and the other has a plus sign. That means they have different signs. Let's forget the signs again and just times the numbers. 3 times 8 is 24. Different signs give a negative answer. So our answer is negative 24. You did it, party popper. Here are both our answers together. Always remember, same signs give a plus answer and different signs give a minus answer. You are a star.